Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga Ethernal Max. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga Ethernal Max is only lasting 10 minutes, it indicates a battery issue. This problem typically arises from battery degradation over time, which means it can no longer hold a charge effectively. If not addressed, you may find your device increasingly unusable, leading to frustration and potential replacement costs. To tackle this repair, you will need a few tools and materials. Make sure you have a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a replacement battery suitable for the Conga Ethernal Max, and a soft cloth to protect your device during the process. Now, let's proceed with the step-by-step repair. Start by ensuring your device is turned off and unplugged. Use the plastic prying tool to gently open the casing of your Conga Ethernal Max. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this can damage the clips that hold the casing together. Once the casing is open, locate the battery, which is usually positioned on one side of the device. You will see a few screws securing it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. After that, gently disconnect the battery cables from the motherboard. Take your time here to ensure you don't damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment and replace it with the new one. Ensure it fits snugly and that the connectors align properly before reconnecting the battery cables. Once everything is securely in place, replace the screws you removed earlier to hold the battery in position. Next, carefully close the casing, making sure all clips are aligned and securely fastened. It's a good idea to double-check that everything is in place and that there are no loose parts. Finally, turn your Conga Ethernal Max back on to ensure it's functioning properly. You should now notice a significant improvement in battery life. To help prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you charge your device regularly and avoid letting the battery drain completely too often. Keeping your device clean and storing it in a cool, dry place can also extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.